Hi friends, welcome to Malar Karthick channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to make Milk Rava Kesari. I am going to make 3 dishes of this Milk Rava Kesari. First Rava cake, second Rava payasam, third Rava Kulfi. Let's prepare the Milk Rava Kesari. Ingredients for Milk Rava Kesari: Rava 1 cup, milk 4 cup, sugar 1 cup, ghee 1/4 cup, badam 1 handful, saffron little. Let's prepare the Milk Rava Kesari. First we will boil the milk now. This Milk Rava Kesari easily can be cooked in 10 minutes. In this Milk Rava Kesari, we do not add any water to it, so it comes with a rich creamy taste. After boiled milk, keep it aside. Now I will take a pinch of saffron for color and add 2 tablespoons of hot milk into the saffron and mix it well. If you want, you can add food color too. When we add saffron to the Milk Rava Kesari, its flavor is very good. Not only for flavor, this saffron is very good for the health also. So I am mixing saffron with Milk Rava Kesari. To make this Milk Rava Kesari, take a wide and heavy vessel. Why do we take a wide pan means Milk Rava Kesari will be ready soon. Why do we take a heavy pan means Milk Rava Kesari will not stick easily in the pan. That's why we are taking a wide and heavy vessel. Let's add the 2 tablespoons of ghee now. When the ghee is hot, add a handful of badam and fry lightly. Fry them until slightly golden color. Put the stove on a low flame, then add a cup of rava. Mix well to coat the rava in ghee. While choosing a rava for kesari, take a fine rava. This fine rava will be good for kesari. Roast the rava well on a low flame until slightly aromatic. Do not brown it. Today I am adding badam. If you want, you can add cashew nut, pista and dry grapes. Everyone roast the nuts and keep them separate, and they will add nuts last only into kesari, but I will not remove nuts separately. When these nuts are cooked with rava, milk, sugar and saffron together, the inside of the nuts all the flavors will be added and the nuts taste will be very good. While the rava is getting roasted, warm milk can be added to rava. When adding the milk to rava, stirring continuously. Take 4 cups of milk for 1 cup of rava. When we add milk to the rava, we add full milk at the same time. If you are adding little by little milk, it forms a lump. Make sure the flame is low at this stage. There should be no lumps. Now we can add saffron milk for color and flavor. You can also add food color instead of saffron. Cook rava at low flame for 2 to 3 minutes. When the rava is cooked, all the milk will absorb completely. Now we can add sugar. We should add sugar only after the rava is cooked. If we add sugar before the rava is cooked, the rava will not cook. We can add sugar from 3/4 cup to 1.5 cups to a cup of rava. Today I have added 1 cup of sugar to 1 cup of rava. If you prefer low sweet, then add lesser sugar. After adding sugar, we need to add a pinch of salt. Why do we add salt means the sweet will show highlight. That's why we add a pinch of salt. Keeping the flame on low, stir well till the sugar dissolves. Make sure that mixture is combined well and no lumps are present. Now add 1/4 cup ghee and stir continuously. Add half teaspoon cardamom powder. It is optional. If you want, you can add it or leave it. Mix it well till the Rava Kesari separates from the pan. Finally, Rava Kesari is ready. This Rava Milk Kesari is like the Milksweet that you buy in shop, and kids like this sweet very much. We can make a Rava cake with this Rava Kesari. Apply a little ghee in a cup and put this Rava Kesari in it. And after some time, we reverse that Rava Kesari container. It will come in a cake shape. How we cut the cake, like that you can cut this Rava cake too. I made a small cup to show you how to make it like a cake. When you make a little big cup and put it like this, it will look like a cake. We added only milk to this cake, so the taste will be very good. Now we can make Rava milk payasam with this Milk Rava Kesari. We have 1 cup of Milk Rava Kesari. To make Rava payasam, add 2 cups of warm milk, a handful of badam and 1 cup of sugar. Keeping the flame on low, stir well till the sugar dissolves. Also adjust the amount of sugar depending on the sweetness. Stir well and boil for 3 minutes. Check for consistency and make sure the Rava payasam has thickened slightly. Turn off the stove. Finally, Rava milk payasam is ready now. Rava milk payasam taste will be great when served with more nuts. Serve Rava payasam hot or refrigerate and serve chilled. Now we can make easily Rava Kulfi with this Milk Rava payasam. Rava Kulfi is very easy to make, just like we make Rava payasam. Now in this Rava payasam glass, we can wrap it in foil paper. Put a small hole in the middle and put an ice cream stick in the middle and leave it in the freezer. Or if you have Kulfi molds, pour into it Kulfi molds and freeze. It will take 8 to 12 hours depending on your fridge. Run water at room temperature around the outside of the mold for a few seconds to remove Kulfi from Kulfi molds. Or you can leave it at room temperature for 2 to 3 minutes so it comes out easily. Serve Kulfi immediately and enjoy. That's it. We prepared 3 dishes in one Milk Rava Kesari. It is very easy also. Also do try this 4 Milk Rava recipes at your home. Do share this video with your friends and family. If you like this video, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe Malar Karthick channel and click the bell icon. Thank you. Have a nice day.